So here's how we can turn off Google search suggestions on the iPhone. Let me explain that, and if you are new here or first time on this channel, definitely become part of the community so you don't miss videos like this one. So there are more ways how you can approach this. For example, you can turn off the suggestions when you go to the settings app and find the apps at the bottom like that and go to Safari, assuming you are using that browser. And in here, you can manage some different things. But for example, we have the search engine suggestions, and you can decide to turn it on or off. And as you can tell, in my case, the search engine for Safari is Google, so I'm stopping the suggestions from that search engine. So that is one way to definitely make it work. But outside of that, even if you are using like a different third-party web browser, you can manage it a little differently. The point is that you might be signed in to your Google account when you are performing the searches, and it is possible that you just go through the, you just go to the search and tap on your account right there, and you want to go to the settings of your account. And if you go there, you will be able to see that there is the ability to manage the plenty of different things like the suggestions and search history, and there is the section for other settings, so you can manage the stuff which you are likely interested in. And there you can as well turn off the autocomplete and the stuff that you find. So yeah, I hope it makes sense. I really hope that I was able to assist you with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will hopefully see you later in the next videos and tutorials like this one.